Earn $2,406 per week watching videos free. Make money online. Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to e-commerce know-how. For today's videos, the steps you need to follow are very simple and easy to understand. All you need to do is pick up your phone and watch some videos. Doing this simple can make you earn as much as $2,000 plus every week. Sounds simple? Well, it is simple. You don't need any skills, experience, or even a laptop to do this and make a decent sum of money daily. Besides, you can also say that earning through this method is done at sort of a passive income because you don't need to really watch the videos to earn money. Let's face it, watching videos on YouTube is something almost all of us do every single day. But in this fashion, you'll get paid to do something you always love doing every single day. And we are about to show you exactly how you can make a decent sum of money every day. But before we start, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. This motivates us to get you new money making tips and tricks throughout online. Also, turn on the bell for the latest notifications and updates. Make sure you never miss another video. With that said, let's begin. The website that we are talking about that will pay you for watching videos is ggtu.org. And before we go into the details of how you can make money through the website, we'd like to remind you to be patient and keep watching this video right until the end. Because if you click off or switch this video midway, you'll be missing out on important details. You might earn a few dollars, but you'll be leaving money on the table, which we want to prevent. So make sure you watch the video until the end. So as you may have noticed, the websites have many different ways by which you can earn money and earn rewards for taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. So watching videos isn't the only way to make money here per se. However, from our experience is by far the best one. Let us explain why. You don't need to spend a lot of time or effort watching videos. Also, it can be productive as you might only learn something new, but also you'll be earning money by watching videos. You can also open a video, leave it running while you're off doing something else, you'll still get paid nonetheless. Meanwhile, surveys, games, and other apps that require your full attention in order to collect your earnings, which is precisely why we don't really prefer them. However, if you have the time and enjoy playing games, you can make money through these means as well. It's completely up to you. You can, of course, get paid in that way too. These means to make money from the website are really simple and easy to follow. Payments. As far as payments are concerned, you can get paid via PayPal or through various gift cards. If you happen to be passionate about those things, and we know most of you are, that's the reason why you are here. It's an available payment method. And if you're not so passionate about receiving your funds in cryptocurrency, PayPal and gift cards are the best two options for you. As far as the website is concerned, we chose this one above others since it's quite well known online earning site, and most importantly, it pays most of its funds to its members. In other news, the money that the site receives through advertising is given to the members who watch these ads. And since you're working on the website by literally watching videos, you'll get paid by GGTU, and it's between 65 to 85% of the website's earnings that members receive. That is unheard of as far as websites like this are concerned. Other websites generally give at best 50% to its members, and in other cases, it's way lower than that. GGTU is definitely the best website in this regard. Furthermore, what's really great about this website is that you get paid $1 Starlight away on signing up. This hardly takes any time, so if you're interested in starting off with watching videos and earning money for the same, go ahead and do so. With all that said, let us now move on to what you have to do when you first come here. Well, if you managed to reach this far into the video, kudos to you. Just goes to show how dedicated you are. But before we move any further, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It motivates us to get you great content. Hit that red button and turn on that bell for motivation. Let's now move on with how you can sign up on the website. Getting started. As many of you can already guess, it's signing up on the website. Just enter your first name, username, email address, password, your country, tick the box and click on the sign up, and that's it. We'll go ahead and log into your account and then we'll show you how to make money through the website. Okay, so since you sign up and log in for the first time, you can receive a $1 bonus for signing up. And as you can see, it says, I need to reach $7. And the reason for this is that $7 is the minimum amount of money that you need to earn for you to be able to withdraw it to your PayPal or redeemable gift card. Let's face it, this isn't a lot at all in a way, shape, or form. You should be easily able to reach such an amount. Something that we'd like to mention and pay attention to, if you choose to get paid in crypto, you'll have to pay a 3% fee. This is not a big issue, but if you do not want to pay this fee, you have the other two options available as well. PayPal might be a better option for you. PayPal charges an 87-cent fee on every dollar you earn and transfer it to your bank through PayPal. You'll receive 100% of your profit through gift cards, which you can later sell for cash or use for your own. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also watch the next two videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. And with that, we'll see you all in our next video. Thanks for watching.